I actually was just on social media and I happened to come across one of your ads. And I don't know, I was looking for quotes and wanted to see and meet with each contractor, and I think we just decided we liked home design. One thing we really liked was the fact that your team first came in and they provided a very simple but very clearly designed format of what it could potentially look like, and it was easy to see what we, I guess, were looking for.
Mm-hmm. And just sharing design ideas, but also listening to what we wanted and what we were looking for too. That really helped put both of the ideas together. And then one of the key points as to why we went with home design was because of the 3D print that we were able to see, and going back and forth with ideas and really seeing it come to life. And we just fell in love with it.
Also, it saved us a lot of time because we were able to see and select the cabinet style and colors all just here at our home and just online, instead of having to, some contractors asked us to go visit a separate vendor just for cabinets. And having a kid, it's a lot of time that we have to commit to for this project, and we just didn't really want to do that. So that was a big plus for us. They're very professional, very nice. They were good at keeping all the dust and debris. Yeah, just they kept it really enclosed just in the area, the work area. So that was great because we also have a dog, and again, with a kid, we didn't want to have this whole floor, especially because it's a townhouse. We didn't want it just completely covered in dust and debris. They were really good at closing that up. They were, they were just very efficient. I think efficient's a good word.
Communication, no issues, stuck to the timeline, and told us what they were going to finish the day and what their goal was for the week to accomplish, and they were able to get everything done within the time frame. Again, from the beginning, having talked about what our budget is and our expectations, home design was very flexible, and also giving us some, ideas of what we can have and what we can't have, but also working with us within the budget. And
there was no pressure choosing which vendor to go with. And also we found that home design had the best value with price and craftsmanship. I think that's very important because you really have to consider the level of quality of work that the contractor can provide. And we found it's really good value.
We told our friends and family that we were redoing our kitchen, and everyone was very surprised that we were able to get it done within the 2 to 3 week time frame, and would definitely highly recommend home design to anybody.
And then one last thing is we had a different contractor for the flooring, so
the coordination between the two different contracting teams was seamless. It was easy. Talked about timelines and what needed to get done before and after, and we were able to make it work without missing a day really, and getting it done.
Because this was our first kitchen reno, we have appliances coming in, flooring material, cabinets coming in, and it's all just different timelines and delivery dates. But I think we were really successful in just keeping the timing really tight, and it worked out really good.